Hey, what's going on? One of my client saved thousands of dollars from his PPC campaigns. He was doing big mistakes. Let me show you the PPC order report we actually created for him. So let's go through it. In his PPC campaigns, there were 22 up and running campaigns. The total number of products were 11, and the sales he was getting is 67,000. And we were spending over $40,962. So, and the A cost was too bad, it's 60.94. um, we found 7,547 keywords which were getting no sales, and there were 10,344 were spent without any sales in term of non-converting keywords. So how we can improve? What was our suggestion? We need to check all non-converting keywords relevancy. Need to do negative targeting for irrelevant keywords. That means we remove those keywords which are taking over money and generating no sales. And we need to pause the non-converting keywords. Keywords with low impression. From there were 9,113 keywords which were with very low impressions, and the total impression we're getting is this number, and the total clicks were this, and we were spending this amount of money, and the sales were this 26,580, and the A cost was too bad, 55.54. So how we can improve that? We should work on the bids of these keywords to improve the visibility. That means, we may lower the bids, or maybe, we can tweak the bids, according to the situation. So we should try and change the bid placement of these keywords in PPC ads to improve the visibility. Placement means we can put them on the first page of the Amazon. That bid will be expensive, but that can drive more sales. So sometimes we lower the bid and show our ads to the not on the top, but it depends on the situation. So on ad placement analysis, so first page of top page of Amazon orders were 4,532, and the ACOS were 57. That means it's much better than the other pages of Amazon, but it's still very high. So product pages of Amazon, we were getting 75% ACOS, which is too bad. And rest search of Amazon, we were getting 60% of the ACOS. And keywords about 20% ACOS. So we had 797 keywords which were above 20% ACOS. Um, and the spending amount is this, and the ACOS were 58.6%. So how we can improve that? We need to decrease the bids of high ACOS keywords. We need to do negative targeting for irrelevant keywords. We should pause low converting keywords. Now the keywords which are actually below the 20% ACOS. So there were 1,000 keywords which are below 20% ACOS. We were getting 9.39, which is really great. So how we can improve it? We have increased the bids on converting keywords to improve ads placement and visibility for more chances of conversion. Um, and we monitored and optimized budget on converting keywords on daily basis by looking up the conversation history of keywords. We added potential keywords exact match the targeting. We have done manual targeting with phrase match on converting keywords to get more converting search terms and do manual exact targeting for those keywords. And what was the PPC bid strategy? We have noticed that clients mostly products are under $10 price bracket. In this case, we don't target our competitor with high search volume keywords. The reason for that is the bid competition is too high, and if we add those keywords and also get orders after 3-4 clicks, even then our ACOS may go over 100%. So we should go with less competitor keywords, means the keyword on which we get sales after 8 to 10 clicks. Our ACOS may not go very high. And move with a little bit aggressive with all those keywords having ACOS below than 20%. PPC ad strategies to grow. We will add non-performing keyword into negative targeting to avoid spending. We will optimize the bids for potential keywords to improve chances for conversion. We have noticed that the client are not running any sponsored brand ads and sponsored display ads. We should have to run these type of ads to get more visibility and more sales. We will monitor the keywords to optimize bids for more optimal conversation for spendings. We will improve budgets for good performing campaigns. We should also create Amazon post and ordered listing. It helps us to increase visibility and the store followers. So if you looking for a free audit report, you can contact me. I will, analyze your store and generate a free audit report that might help you to save a lot of money. Thank you.